guys, and today it's Saturday. It's my day off. So I'm with Gab and Jacob. We're going to go for biking. Right, Gab?
And we're going to
So say
go
hi
to the park. Hi.
So guys, no, tingnan nyo, as you can see, start na mag freeze, frozen yung mga grass, no. Nakikita nyo guys, no, frozen na pati mga dahon, napakatigas na, parang nilagay sa ref. It's still fall season, Jacob?
Yes.
So yeah,
Sooner will be winter.
yeah, sooner will be winter.
When it's winter, it's snowing.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Dito na kami sa park, guys. So may frozen paddle dito. Nag-flakes na yung ice, man. Sobrang lamig. Kaninang umaga lang yan, man. Parang glass na siya, oh. Kapag binasa mo, parang glass na. So sobrang lamig, guys. Tingnan mo, Jacob. Basta ano ka ba naman? Kamay lang.
It's fun.
Grab some more. Careful, ha. It's matulis. Ikaw, matulis, ha. Okay.
Oh my God!
So yun, dahil malapit ng winter time, tingnan nyo guys kung gaano kakapal yung naging yung tubig na naging yelo sa sobrang lamig. Simula nung umagang babaran. Come on. Amazing, yellow. May yelo. Frozen na talaga, eh. Hindi pa yan. Hindi pa winter. Ano pa lang.
Like frozen, but you can't. It's
Wag
like
dyan,
it's
Gab.
not even frozen.
What more kapag nandun ka sa Calgary, no? Laging nag-yellow doon. Is that
You
frozen?
can feel this one, yeah.
Oh, this one is clear frozen, guys. Tingnan mo ito. Tubig siya pero ano siya, taga frozen. Kala mo hindi siya, no? Tingnan mo guys. Ayun.
I thought that was a muddy puddle while I
Frozen na talaga. Parang bata, no? Kasi Jacob, having fun, Jacob?
Yes.
So cold, right? No? Tingnan mo yun, Jacob. Gawa tayo halo-halo, Gab. Ano yan? What you got? Oh my goodness. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo natin, igagalan natin dito, ah.
Oh my gosh!
So, lagi sa atin.
We're having fun.
Basag. Sabi natin, parang broken glass, eh, oh. Baka may madulas pala. Huwag mo hagis dito, Jacob, ha. Baka may madulas pala dito. Mali ako. Kasi may mga nagja-jogging. Gab, no. Mababasa yung sapatos nyo.
Are you be able to get them down?
Is that icy too?
Yes.
Touch it, Gab. Is that icy too? Oh, it's icy.
I found another one.
Wait lang.
So much icy. Yeah.
So ito, akala nyo, tubig siya, pero ano po siya, ice. Mabilis nga, babakita ko sa camera eh. Kaya parang akala nyo, tubig, no? Pero pag hinulugan nyo ng it's ice, guys, ice. Ayan, oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
And that is right. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Sabi niya, Jacob, doon ka sa kabila, hindi tayo makita sa camera. Kaya dito ka, Gabo, dito.
Aya!
Yeah.
I want ice. Ah! Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah! Yeah!
Yan, hinayaan ko muna sila maglaro dito. Oh. Enjoy sila sa paddle ice. Ayan. Ayan, maganda.
Okay.
Ano? Sabi sa'yo matahulis yun, di ba?
It's okay.
I told you. Patingin. Macy, nasugat ka. Patingin.
Nowhere.
Saan? Saan patingin ko?
Nowhere.
Sabi sa'yo, careful lang kasi. Pag ano, gentle lang pag ano mo. Ano saan? Masakit? Tingin, patingin.
Yeah,
It's
not
okay lang.
really.
Oh, sige. Okay lang yan. Iyo, sorry.
I'm in the ice.
Oh, Jacob.
Oh my gosh, I'm in the ice.
Satisfying naman talaga, guys eh. Nagbubungkal ka ng
I'm in
yelo.
the
Ayun, oh.
ice.
Sa loob yung kamay ko, guys.
Oh, give me that.
Para nagbubungkal ka na sa lamin, oh.
It is flying.
Satisfying ba, Gab?
Yes.
Ayan ah.
You have it.
So, nagpi-freeze na yung kamay ko. Sobrang manhid na.
Who cracked it?
Ayun, oh. Wala na akong ma-feel sa hand ko, kaya tinigil ko muna. Sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig. Tago ko muna yung kamay ko, baka maputol. Putol, you know? Sobra naman yun. Kaya si Jacob at si Gabriel naglalaro pa rin, no? So enjoy lang nila, basa na yung shoes nilang dalawa sa pagpi-play ng ano,
Yes, I got
muddy
it.
ice paddle.
I got it.
You got it?
Yes.
Nice.
It's my ice. It usually break. Oh.
It's so tough.
Yeah.
No, don't do that.
I'm going around.
So tough. Yan, see? Ito, yan o, laki o. You got the bigger one. You got a bigger one. Help each other. Help each other. You got a bigger one.
Destroy it.
Destroy it.
No, never.
Oh God, destroy it there. Go.
Oh,
Go get it, grab it. So, sarap lang maging bata, no? Wala kang naalala, o laro ka lang, no? So, yan. Nakakamiss ang mga kabataan natin, kabataan days. Yan, laro ka na ng paddle to.
You fought through it.
How was it?
I was walking in here and then my shoes didn't got wet.
So, gusto ni Jacob mag-Beyblade.
Paddle!
So, we found a perfect place for playing a Beyblade.